If you travel often and love luxury perks, the ADCB TouchPoints Infinite credit card might have caught your eye. But is it worth applying for? Let's break it down. The ADCB TouchPoints Infinite is a premium rewards card that earns you touch points on all spending, which can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, shopping, and lifestyle experiences. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on points accumulation, but the card also offers airport lounge access, travel insurance, and concierge services, making it ideal for frequent travelers and high spenders. The rewards program is straightforward. You earn higher points for overseas spend and selected categories like dining or shopping. For example, every AD spend abroad might earn double points, which is great if you frequently travel internationally. Points can be redeemed directly via ADCB Rewards portal or transferred to partner airlines and hotels for maximum value. One key benefit is the travel perks. Cardholders get complimentary access to select airport lounges worldwide, plus insurance coverage for flight delays, lost luggage, and travel accidents. There's also a concierge service to help with bookings, dining, or event tickets features that save time and add convenience. Fees and eligibility are worth noting. The card has a high annual fee, so it's best suited for those who can maximize rewards through regular spending or travel. Eligibility typically requires a strong income and credit history. For people who don't travel much, the benefits might not justify the cost. In conclusion, the ADCB TouchPoints Infinite credit card is excellent for frequent travelers or those who want premium perks and rewards. If used strategically, it can provide significant value, but casual spenders may find it less cost-effective. Subscribe for more credit card reviews, tips to maximize rewards, and strategies to make the most of your spending.